Hi guys, someone here again. Right on the other side of your screen. Welcome back to my channel. If you're not subscribed yet, what are you still waiting for? I don't know, what are you still waiting for? Kindly smash the subscribe button down below to join this awesome family, as you won't even regret subscribing. As might have known through this video title and thumbnail that this is going to be a double exposure tutorial. I'll walk you through the process of how I got this from this. So without wasting much of your time, let's dive right into the video. So first off, you have to remove the image background. I'll be using a site called remove.bg for this tutorial. You can always use an app if you have any app that can do the job for you. The site is pretty straightforward. Click on upload image and choose the image you want to remove its background. When it's done uploading, you can then download the new image. First off, we will be using an app called CANVA to place the image on a new background. On the app, choose the plus icon and pick any template of your choice out of the multiple templates. After choosing the background, click the plus icon and import your image. Pinch in and out to resize the picture to your preferred size so that you can sit comfortably on the template. When you are done, save your new image. The next step is to download your preferred flame picture. I downloaded mine on Google, but if you want to use mine, I will leave a link in the description box for you guys. It is time to open Snapseed to do the real magic. Tap the screen and add the picture you created with CANVA. Then go to double exposure. Click on the picture icon below and add the flame picture. Resize it to how big or small you want it to be. Then click on the liquid like icon below and drag it to the very end. Then click the check mark. Click the 3 dot icon above. Then click edit. Click this and then click the icon at the middle. Then you can paint in your flame picture carefully on the screen using your finger. You can zoom in the picture very well to carefully paint in the flame, and then make sure the number below is at 100%. After painting in the paint picture, check your result, and if it's your desired shape, click the check icon and then the back icon. You can then go further to make the picture sleek by adding a black and white filter and then tweaking a few things so that the flames and the shades will go hand in hand with the background. Click on export and save your picture. That is all for this video, guys. So if you find this video helpful, kindly make use of the like button down below. I like to see the amazing pictures you all come up with, so feel free to tag me on Instagram and Twitter as Bello. So as Marcus do say, I will catch you in my next video. Peace.